Greetings WordPress bloggers and affiliate marketers. Welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to add Clickbank affiliate product advertisements on your WordPress site. In today's tutorial, here is my website about dog training, and let's take a look at a post. I've already added some advertisements for Amazon banner ads at the sidebar here and also at the bottom of the post, and these will appear on every single post. And if you want to learn how to do this, check out my tutorial video on how to grab your Amazon affiliate native advertisement banners and add it to WordPress on every single page and post, and also the sidebar. I'll leave a link down below, and you can do the same thing with Clickbank ads as well. You can add it to every single post, on the sidebar, on the bottom of the page, at the top of the page, inside the content, and that's in my other tutorial. But today I'm only going to show you how to get Clickbank affiliate products banners and add it to your sidebar, and it will appear on every single page. So right now let's head over to my favorite Clickbank search engine. It is called cbengine.com, and here is where it shows all the Clickbank products, new and old, and have very good analytics and stats for them. Much better than what you see at the Clickbank marketplace website, the official website. It really sucks compared to CB Engine. Anyhow, it's free to use. I'll leave a link down below. Once you're here, head over to the sidebar over here and search for your targeted keyword or niche. So I'm searching now for dog training, so let's click on search. And here is going to give you a bunch of product search results, and some of it, or a lot of it actually, are not very relevant. But anyhow, I like to organize it by the averages right here. Click on that, and then organize this column by gravity. So click on that until it shows you the highest gravity first. So this means that the higher the number, the more this product is making money, and also the potential that a lot of affiliates are promoting this and making money from this. So a low gravity would mean that there's not a lot of action, there's not a lot of affiliates promoting this product, there's not a lot of affiliates making money off of it. So generally, the higher the gravity, the better. There is a dog training product. It has a very high gravity. Usually anything over 20 is pretty good, but over 100, that's really hot right now. And this column right here, the average sell. So this means that on average, every customer that buys this product, including the front end, which is the main product, and the upsells or downsells, on average, they're gonna spend about $31.66. So a high number is generally good. That means you're gonna make more. And a really high number is really good, but it's gonna be harder to sell. So a good high number with a good gravity is actually together is pretty good. Anyhow, you find your product, you click on what you want to see. You can find more stats about it. It is first seen in 2016 and currently still pretty hot, so that's a good sign. Go and visit the website. Click on this button right here and check out the website. Make sure it looks good and everything and relevant to whatever you're promoting, whatever your site's about. And this is a pretty good product, and I usually scroll all the way down to the bottom and find where it says affiliate program, because that's where they usually have it at. So I want to click on that, so that way I can find some banner ads or some marketing materials that I can use to help me promote this product. And here it is, and it says right here, looking for banners. Click here to go. Okay, so here we got the banners. So this seller in particular is very active. They made banners, they made free giveaways that affiliates can use to give away to their own visitors and build an email list for further marketing. They made email swipes, so that's really nice, and promotional videos and all these other things right here. So I'm interested in two things, the banner and the email swipes, because sometimes if the banner is not really good, it kind of sucks, then I would grab the product image followed by something from the email swipe. So email swipe is what affiliates send to their email list if they have one. So for example, here's an email swipe. So this would be something, again, you send to your email list in an email, newsletter, or autoresponder. So I usually check out the email swipes and copy a few things that are good and then use it on my own site to promote the affiliate product. Okay, let's go to the banners right here. So they actually have pretty good banners. I like it. Turn your dog into a genius. So that's a good selling line as well. I like that. Let's copy this right here, the banner that is showing. Let's go to your WordPress. So I'm in my WordPress right now, WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to set it up on my sidebar. So go to appearance, widgets, and each site has its own theme. So yours may be different. It may have a right sidebar, left sidebar, or two sidebars, or no sidebars, and a footer. So in this example, I have a right sidebar. Now look for something called a text right here, widget, and just drag it to your sidebar, and you can position it wherever you want. So I'm just gonna do it at the bottom for now, and then make sure you go to the text tab here. This is the code editor, and let's paste in the exact code from the banner you see here. And I want to mention that not every Clickbank product sellers will have an affiliate resource like this. They may not have banners, they might not have any kind of affiliate resources, but generally all the top Clickbank sellers with a good number of gravity, a high gravity, will generally have affiliate banners and swipes and things like that. So just have to go to their site and look for it, and to add your Clickbank affiliate ID to the link. So go back to CB Engine, and up here you will see get affiliate link. So right here under Clickbank nickname, this is your username or user ID. When you make your Clickbank account, just type that in here, just like that. And then tracking ID, this is optional, but generally if you have multiple websites promoting the same thing, you want to just type in a tracking ID for each particular website. So my website is dogtraining.help. I'll just skip the dot, but I'll leave the extension in here, help. Click on create, and that is your hop link or your affiliate link. Copy that, go back to the banner ad code and replace this right here where it says href =, and the quotes, and just highlight the entire link, the example link, all the way in between the two quotes. Just delete that and then paste in your actual Clickbank affiliate link, and everything else you can leave alone. And you can actually type in a title if you want right here. Text, save. Okay, let's go back and let me refresh. Okay, let's go to the bottom. Okay, there it is. Now, actually, let's move this to the top. Just drag it all the way. So now it's gonna appear at the top. Okay, I think I like it better at the top. And now if they click on this, it's going straight to the Clickbank product. And here's my affiliate ID, so you want to check to make sure that's correct. And again, if you want to learn how to add advertisement in your post itself, on every single post or page, check out my other video using ad inserter. It shows you how to set up the Amazon native ads, but you can use it for any kind of advertisement, banners, or whatever you want. It works the same way. The links are down below, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.